I will show you how to crochet a bow. So create a slip knot and then chain 12. 1, 2, 3. Keep continuing. So here I have chain 12 and then I will mark. And then crochet chain 18. 1, 2. Keep continuing. Now I have chain 18 and then I will mark. And one more. And mark. And then crochet chain 18. 1, 2. Keep continuing. Now I have chain 18 and then mark. Chain 1. And then crochet chain 12. 1, 2, 3. Now I have chain 12. So the total is chain 61. And then I will crochet 8 slip stitches along the chain. So I will crochet here in the back of this. The second chain. 1, 2, 3. I will crochet this until the yellow stitch marker. So this one I have 29 slip stitches, and here this stitch marker I will join to the first one that we have. So I insert at the back and then I will insert here. And then a slip stitch. And then crochet a slip stitches to the next one. So the next one. 1, 2, 3 until the red one. So this one I have 18 stitches, and here the red one I will join to the orange one. A slip stitch. And here at the back of the next stitch. 1, 2, 3. Now I have done and I have 11 stitches. Now we have the bow and we will weave in all ends of this. So try to weave in all ends. This one also the same process.